Hey everybody, it's Ellen. Yes, me, Ellen. I'm here. I'm home. Yay. So, just to give everyone an update, we've been in our RV now for almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years this fall, I think. So, we have this little issue going on right now with our handrail. So, this little rubber thing has torn on the back side and it aggravates me. So, it's up to my handyman to get it fixed. So, stay tuned and watch the show.
All right, so there's a number of different ways to fix this. You can either go out and get a piece of replacement foam, take some screws off, and then try to figure out how to get the new piece of foam on there, which I've seen a couple of YouTube videos, and what people do is they kind of lubricate this up, take this all apart, lubricate this up and slide it on. Or they use an air hose to get some air under there and get it on. Or you can just buy a whole new kit, the whole arm, these fixtures and everything on Amazon for about 40 bucks, or just under 40 bucks. Or you can get just an add-on device, Ellen, which is this, the door grip. And it's by Stromberg Carlson, which is the same company that makes this. So I'm going to show you how we get that on. It's really simple. It's going to take about 10 minutes. All right, Ellen, rip it off. Going to give Ellen, she loves destroying things. Rip it off, Ellen. Ah, there it is, ready to rock and roll.
I'm cleaning it too. Yeah, look at all the stuff that was in here. We can save this for something, right?
Yeah, we'll save it.
Right? Go like here.
All right, so this is pretty simple. They give you a couple tie wraps and some of this adhesive. So over here, what you're going to do is kind of make it equidistant. And what they do is they give you this tape here so that you can put it in 3 different areas. So I'm going to kind of line that up this way. And here is one section of the tape there. And that just wraps around. Then I'll take another piece, put that down towards the bottom. It has this little extra piece that doesn't have any adhesive on it. That's where you peel it off. Show you that in a sec. And then you have this other piece here that I'll put in the middle. And that kind of keeps it just from sliding down. And then you just take off once you get it on there, it's supposed to come off. We'll see. Of course, it doesn't happen easily when I'm trying to do it on camera. But you can kind of just peel it a little bit and then boom. It's going to take a minute to get them all going. Hello! The dogs are not pleased. There you go. You do that. Then you kind of line this up one way. It doesn't matter which way it goes. It's the same either way. Line it up. Put the other side on. Oh, I think this side has to go this way so that it locks in. So you'll figure that out. It's pretty simple. And you squeeze it.
Cinch it.
And then you take some tie wraps. And the tie wraps have these nice little smooth areas, so it's not a conventional tie wrap. And that kind of goes around. I'm going to do it this way. It's easier to see it, and then I'll just slide it towards the back. Goes on like that. And I don't have my clippers, but you put this on there, pull it pretty tight, and then you can clip off the excess. All right, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you another fix for safety fix around your stairs. So there you go. Oh man. There it is. So now I'll just tighten those up. I'll take a pair of scissors, clip those off, and it's all done. That's it. All right, so for another video on safety for your stairs, check out the video at the end of this video. See ya. Thanks for watching. All right, Alan, test it out.
Awesome.
Excellent. How'd I do?
Wait, let me go up the stairs. Crazy dogs!